students, today we are going to discuss on the kingdom fungi of the five kingdom system of classification which was given by R.H. Whittaker. Students, the kingdom fungi includes the kinds of heterotrophic organism. Fungi are with very distinctive characteristics and are diverse in nature. If we are going to talk about the general characteristics of the fungi, then the fungi are being the exceptionally unicellular, only yeast, and most of the species are multicellular in structure. Students, the multicellular fungi forms the filamentous type of structures. Filamentous type of structure. This is called the hyphae. What? The filamentous structure of the fungi is called hyphae, and the network of hyphae, it means many of the filamentous structure of the fungi forming a colonial like habitat that is called mycelium. Mycelium. Yes, students, the multicellular filamentous group of network like filamentous structure of the fungi is known as mycelium. The cell wall of the fungi, which consists of a special type of protein sheath that is called chitin, and some amount of polysaccharides are also present in the chitinous layer of the cell wall of the fungi. The fungi are cosmopolitan in nature. Cosmopolitan in nature, it means it found everywhere. It found on the moist soil surfaces, on the sandy regions, in air, in water, as well as every part of the sphere. Such type of organism are found, hence called cosmopolitan. It means found everywhere. The fungi are well known for their diverse diverse climatic conditions. It means they grow on the dead and decaying matter, on the dried logs of the woods, as well as in or inside the various type of the marshy regions. They also exist. The fungi perform the most peculiar features and used as edible substance. Yes, students, some of the fungi are used as edible substance like agaricus. Agaricus mushroom is a type of fungi that is used as edible substance. And students, penicillium. Penicillium is the first fungi that is discovered as antibiotic. Yes, students, the penicillium is known for the antibiotic and it is obtained from the Penicillium notatum. It means from the rhizoidal roots. This is used to cure various type of bacterial as well as the fungal diseases. Now students, the fungi also cause the type of appearance such as in bread molds and the rot disease in the oranges or any other citrus fruits is being the presence of the fungi. If you are going to talking about the kinds of reproduction that is found in fungi, then the exceptionally unicellular fungi means yeast perform the asexual mode of reproduction by performing budding, whereas the multicellular type of filamentous fungi shows the different level of sexual reproduction by the fusion of gametes. Yes, students, by the fusion of flagellated gametes, they perform the sexual mode of reproduction. Now, students, let's taking the example of some of the fungi. Penicillium, yeast, mucor, rhizopus, Puccinia. It causes the smut disease, etc. And you can also take the Phrygia. It is also known as cup fungi because it grow on the logs of wood or wooden logs. Agaricus, it is also commonly known as mushroom. Here we are also going to define some structure of fungi. Then first of all, I am going to describe the structure of penicillium. This is a very common and most important structure of the fungi. That is the penicillium. The another one is agaricus. Mushroom. This is the cat, and this is the hypaea, and this is the mycelium. Thus, students, these are the structure of some fungi. We know more about the remaining two kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia, in next video lecture. Thanks, students, for joining today's lecture.